I'm audible.
Yes. Yeah, you're audible.
So, yeah, Trailhead. So in Trailhead, there are different like modules and trails and trail map. So we should have to complete. So that is my question. Like first we have to complete the modules and then trails and then trail max. So what were the two?
Yeah, yeah, I understood you. So just to repeat the question, Aslam's question was, how do you start with what module to start with, and how do you start about learning, right? So that you will be given specific details in the coming sessions, and also offline you will have the details. But for now, you start with your immediate exercise, like I said, is start with what I mentioned. You kind of sign up, right, with the trailblazer.me and Salesforce developer edition. Once you do that, you come back, you log in back to Trailhead, and you will see a lot of modules, right? Anand, I will suggest that let them at least explore by just going to one or two modules so that they get comfortable with the concept of what module is all about, what project is all about. They can do. I don't want to kind of make it very overwhelming for them to tell that, okay, go and learn this, start with this training mix. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure, sure. So just start with that.
So,
I don't know if I answered your question. Just start with first do complete the sign up to these platforms, and then you for now initially just explore. Right, that is good enough for the next 1 or 2 days, and then we would send you if there is any prerequisite learning. We will send you in an email saying that, yeah, before you come into the next call, kind of learn it. We will share all the details. But for now, today you just complete the this sign up.
कैसे लगता है?
so can we use it in Trailblazer account for this complete course, or we need to sign up a new one? Yeah, you
No, no,
can
no. You
have
can
your
use it.
existing.
Yeah, yeah. Correct, correct. Yeah, go ahead. Anand. So short answer is yes. Please use. Don't use anything else. Any new one. You use the current one. Just that we were kind of suggesting to kind of take a stack of what is your current badges, number of badges or modules you have completed, so that we know in this 100 days what addition that you have had. Right. From that perspective, just make a note of your current status. From there, we can do. But definitely keep the current one. Don't go for a new one because it
Kannan,
becomes later it
Mr.
becomes,
Kannan,
difficult to kind of
hello, Mr.
combine both.
Kannan, hello, Mr.
Yes, yes,
Kannan. I already have an account and already have won a few badges. In fact, I have completed the CRM module. Okay, CRM means the introduction to CRM kind of a thing,
yes,
where I have completed the exercises and projects also, whatever the projects they had done. It was quite interesting. But I want to know,
yes,
can I continue with the thing? It is registered in my Gmail ID where I am getting all the communication
yes,
for
yes,
this
yes,
program and all.
yes.
I can
Definitely,
continue,
yes,
right? Yeah.
yes, sir. Definitely, you can continue. And if I don't put yourself in the spot, I just had a quickly as I saw Rajshekhar Durai sir's name here. I also kind of went and Googled and then looked at his LinkedIn. I mean, he's definitely one of the inspirational person that all of you should have, right? I mean, he has had a wide or vast range of experience, many decades of working experience, and then still he is kind of pursuing learning now, right? I just wanted to kind of call it out. So for all of you, can use that as an inspiration from another, right? I'm sure I can get some inspiration from you and so on and so forth. Do that, but yeah, definitely to answer your question, sir, please use your existing account and continue with your learning.
For me, it is a very, very new learning experience after having spent a lot of time in core banking and ERP product building. I am very excited about the Salesforce CRM. How simple and how effective it is. 35% of sales expenses go to sales only, total expense of the company. And that is why Salesforce is going, because you are controlling 35% of the expenses of the company in the right way using Salesforce.
Absolutely. Thank you for being part of this journey.
Sir, one question is there for me from my side.
Please go ahead.
Sir, as I'm using Trailhead from past few months, so my question is the point score batches we get, which helps to learn the skills required. Rather than that, what is that the points batches helps in getting placed as a fresher?
Right. I answered that question, maybe not directly, like as there was a question from someone else. I said it supplements, right? I will tell you, right? When you are going for a specific job interview, or going for a career switch, some companies may look for your continued learning, right? Your pursuit for learning, right? So it helps. So you the certification, or your badges you have earned, your learning that you have had. Well, these are not sure shot of getting landing in a job, or that there is no sure shot of saying that, yeah, that means you are more successful or you are more knowledgeable from compared to someone else who doesn't have it. But nevertheless, it does add to your story, right? Your case that yes, this person has learned so much, accumulated so many points. So that means this person is in the market for so long in Salesforce, and can supplement that, right? But that is not the only one, but it does support.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes. So, in the interest of time, let's kind of move on to the next topic. I know Ilayam Maran is also waiting, and then you are all also kind of spending your time for the last 2.5 hours. Let's move on to the next topic, and then if there is any follow-up questions, definitely share it with the right channel, through the channel, and then and again, Anand, if needed, we can also come back to further reinforce some of the things that we have mentioned in this call, because definitely this is a stepping stone for you. So you need to, when you come for the next call, you should be very very comfortable with having completed your created your profile, as well as your Trailhead, the developer edition, and so on and so forth. So please do that, and if you have any question, just send offline questions. Yeah, over to you, Anand, to start the next segment.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.